Today, we are going on a journey to understand triangles. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify, classify, and describe triangles with confidence. First, let us begin with the basics. A triangle is one of the simplest shapes. It always has 3 sides and 3 corners, as labeled 1, 2, and 3 in the image. Every triangle must always have exactly 3 sides, no more and no less. Also, all sides must join to form a closed shape. Triangles also have 3 angles, which are the inner corners formed by the intersection of the sides. Here is a very important rule. The total of all 3 angles in any triangle is always 180 degrees. For example, in an equilateral triangle where all angles are 60 degrees, adding them up results in 180 degrees. This confirms it is a triangle. Now that we understand what a triangle is, let us move on to classification. We can classify triangles based on their sides and their angles. We classify triangles based on the length of their sides into 3 types: equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Let us begin with the equilateral triangle. In this type of triangle, all sides are the same length. To show the sides are equal, we use a single tick line of the same type on each side. For example, if all 3 sides are 5 centimeters, then the triangle is equilateral. Because all sides are equal, all angles are also equal. In an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Next, we move to the isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle has only 2 equal sides. The isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides, indicated by the double tick marks on 2 sides. The third side is of a different length. Here are more examples of isosceles triangles. These triangles also have 2 equal angles opposite the equal sides. Let us consider the equilateral triangle. It is a special case of an isosceles triangle because it has at least 2 equal sides. For the isosceles triangle, remember that only 2 sides are equal, and the angles opposite those equal sides are also equal. In the isosceles example shown, the 2 equal angles are 70 degrees, and the angle opposite the unequal side is 40 degrees. Moving to the third type classified by sides, the scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, no sides are equal. This is shown by the different number of tick marks on each side, indicating different lengths. For example, a scalene triangle could have sides of 3, 4, and 5 centimeters. Because all sides differ, all angles must also differ in a scalene triangle, such as 50, 60, and 70 degrees. Now, let us classify triangles based on their angles. We have the right angle, acute, and obtuse triangles. A right-angled triangle has exactly 1 angle that measures 90 degrees. For example, if one angle is 90 degrees, the triangle is right-angled. The other 2 angles must add up to 90 degrees. In diagrams, the right angle is often represented by a small square symbol. Next, an acute triangle is a triangle where all 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. For instance, a triangle with angles of 40, 60, and 80 degrees is an acute triangle because all angles are less than 90 degrees. An equilateral triangle is a type of acute triangle because all its angles are 60 degrees, which is less than 90 degrees. An isosceles triangle can also be an acute triangle if all its angles are less than 90 degrees, such as 40, 70, and 70 degrees. Finally, an obtuse triangle has exactly 1 angle greater than 90 degrees. If a triangle has angles of 130, 30, and 20 degrees, it is an obtuse triangle because 1 angle is larger than 90 degrees. A scalene or isosceles triangle can be obtuse, provided one of the angles exceeds 90 degrees. Now let us test your knowledge with a few evaluation questions. Please pause the video here and work through these problems.